So here I'm going to explain like how the entire clay workflow works, and I'm going to show you like how I have automated some of the lines, like personalized line using clay, right? So first things first. Let me yeah. So once we have scraped the data from the API file, then we directly import it into Clay, and Clay gives us CT, company name, company phone, and review number of reviews they have, 3 star, 2 star, total number of reviews, and their publishing date. So for this client, we have published the 5 most recent reviews from their Google business, right? So we also have their publishing date, then number of 3 star reviews they have, 2 star reviews they have, 1 star reviews they have. Then we also have the exact review text for all the 5 reviews, right? Then we have the reviewer name as well for all the 5 reviews. Then we have website, Google URL, the Google rating, total score. So this column will help us segment the like companies into 2 categories: greater than 4.5 and less than 4.5. Then we have the search string, right? So now once we have all this data, the first step we what we do here is like to figure out like out of 5 reviews how many reviews are bad ones, right? So how do we figure out is like we used formula here, and if the reviews have less than four star rating, that means the review is bad. If the review has greater than 4 stars, then the review is good. That's what we did here. 1 2 3 includes review stars, so that means less than 4, and if it is greater than 4, that means the review is good. So that's how we figure out like out of 5 reviews which ones are bad. So as you can see, first review is bad, second review is also bad, third review is also bad, but the fourth review is good, right? Because if you go here and check, first of all they don't have stars. So if they do not have any star rating, then that means the review is uh, good, or maybe we can say the review is empty, so we cannot tell exactly if the review is bad or good. So that's why we put good here. So that's how we figure out like how out of 5 reviews how many reviews are bad. Once we figured out, then we used merge columns using formula. Like if the review is bad, then tell us what's the publishing date, right? So that's what we did here. We merged columns. Like if the review class equals to bad, give us the exact publishing date of that review one, right? So now we have the bad review plus their publishing data as well, right? Then once we have all like once we have the publishing date for all the 5 reviews, 2 3 4 5, then we used ChatGPT to figure out which one out of these 5, which one of them is the recent one. So as you can see in the third row, we have 5 months ago, a year ago, and 11 months ago. So obviously the 5 months ago is the most recent one. That's why it is the response is one. Again, in the fourth row, we have 2 months, 6 months, 6 months. So again, the response is one, right? So we have used ChatGPT here. I can also show you the prompt if you want. So we have feed all these bad published and then bad published one, and then we have used formula that if the review is bad and if they have less than 4 or something like that, then give us the exact most recent bad review based on the publishing date, right? So once we have that, then we have used merge formula to get the exact review. So that's why we call this column master review, because we get the exact review out of all the 5 bad reviews we have, right? So we can use this in our email copy as well. Then we have some so this was the exact review. As you can see, it was very long, right? So we have summarized the review in under 100 words, right? So I was hired by, so we can use that in our PS line. I will show you how we are going to use that in PSL. Then we have the master reviewer name as well, right? Then here is the example of like how we are going to use that review plus reviewer name in PSL. For example, here is an example of a 1 star review. So we have used the exact star rating from the review, and we have summarized the review in less than 100 words. So that's what I was talking about in the video. In PSN, we are going to put actual review that they might want to remove, right? So that's why you might want to take down, right? Then company name, and then in the follow, as I as I've shown you, we are also going to tell them like how many 1 star reviews they have, how many 2 star reviews they have. So if you can see here, we have used some formulas to figure out how many 1 star reviews they have, how many 2 star reviews they have, how many 3 star reviews, right? So in the next video,